So today we will have a short ride, and at the same time we have to talk about approximating kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Actually, these are the metric units used in finding the distance and the length of the objects. So, let's go. Okay, so I am now in the C3. Actually, this is between Barangay Palao and Barangay Pagaan. So, you've seen here is the beauty of Iligan City. It's overlooking. So this time, you know that from my residence to this place, approximately 1 kilometer. So how far is 1 kilometer? So this time, let us have a short discussion about approximating 1 kilometer, 1 hectometer, 1 decameter, 1 meter, 1 decimeter, 1 centimeter, and 1 millimeter.
A few moments later.
So this time, let us approximate cm, millimeter, decimeter. So actually, these are the units used to measure shorter objects. This is our metric system. So in our ruler, we have here on the top, we have here cm and mm. So take note, this is cm and mm. So 10 mm is equivalent to 1 cm. So in a ruler, we have here 30.48 cm. And on the top of this is inches. So this is inches. And 1 inch, this is 1 inch, is equivalent to 2.54 cm. 2.54 cm. So, to approximate mm, this is mm. And cm is 10 mm is equivalent to 1 cm. And 10 cm, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. This is 1 decimeter. 1 decimeter is 10 centimeters. So I have here an example of 1 cubic decimeter. So why is it called 1 cubic decimeter? The volume of this is because we have the dimension of 1 decimeter, 1 decimeter, and 1 decimeter. So to get the volume, length times width times height, that is 1 cubic decimeter. Do you know that if this is an ice cube, then you are going to liquefy this ice cube? Actually, this is equivalent to 1 liter. In our previous videos, we have 1 liter is equal to 1 kilogram. So in short, the volume of this is 1 cubic decimeter because the dimension is in 1 decimeter, 1 decimeter, and 1 decimeter. And it is equivalent to 1 liter of water. So the capacity of this is 1 liter. And the mass of this is 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1 liter and is equivalent to 1 cubic decimeter for the volume. So now, again, 1 mm, 1 cm, and 1 decimeter. Take note, decimeter is different from decameter because in decameter, that is equivalent 10 meter stick. This is our meter stick. This is 1 meter. So 1 meter stick or 10 meter stick, that is equivalent to decameter. Okay, so this time let us have an approximating decameter, hectometer, and kilometer. So consider this as the first floor of the building, my classroom. We have 1 meter, we have 2 meters, and we have 3 meters. So this is 3 meters. So if you have 3 meters, that is equivalent to 1 floor. So in other words, Since we all know that in 1 decameter is equivalent to 10 meters thick or 10 meters. So how many story is 1 decameter? So that building there, that building is actually a 3-story building. And that is, the height of that is equivalent to 1 decameter. Why 1 decameter? Because we assume that the first floor is 3 meters, approximately 3 meters. The second floor is another 3 meters. And the third floor is another 3 meters. So, plus the roofing. So, it's equivalent to a 3-story building. So, in short, to approximate 1 decameter, that is equivalent to a 3-story building.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, how about hectometer? Since we all know that 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. And 1 decameter is equal to 3-story building. So in short, when we talk about hectometer, it is approximately 30-story building. Again, just imagine 30-story building. That is equivalent to 1 hectometer. Since 1 hectometer is equivalent to 10 deca. And now, how about kilometer? So a kilometer, there are 10 hectometers. So, how many story building? So since a 3-story building is approximately 1 decameter, and 30-story building is equivalent to 1 hectometer, and 10 hectometers is 1 kilometer, so that is 300-story building. I hope you learned something today. So once again, if you are going to approximate 1 kilometer, that is 300-story building. And for 1 hectometer, that is 30-story building. And for 1 decameter is 3-story building. So this is 1 meter is equal to 1 meter thick. And this is 1 decimeter, 1 cm, and 1 mm. So this is Teacher Verhel, the math rider, saying thank you, and may God be with us.
Alright. Okay. Alright. Da 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 da